Hey guys, it's Steven again. Today we're here at the range with my rifle I just picked up, which is an Argentine Remington rolling block. This one's caliber is 43 Spanish. Rounds are kind of hard to come by, a little expensive when you find them. So I bought some brass from Track of the Wolf. I got a mold and shell holder from Midway and got the dies online as well. We've got it loaded up with 80 grains of 2F black powder, Diamondback brand, with a .020 thick paper wad patch with a 370 grain cast lead bullet. Let's see how she shoots. This particular rifle was made in 1879. There's one shot. She didn't blow up, so that's good. I got one more round here to fire. Alrighty guys, well that was the 1879 Argentine contract Remington rolling block and 43 Spanish caliber. Alright guys, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.